Hello, friends. Welcome back to Chasing English, the place where you can practice reading English every single day. If you read with us often, your English will become better, step by step. So, let's sit down together, take a deep breath, and begin today's story. Today, we are not only learning about English, we are learning about life. We are going to talk about something very important: how to clean your mind every day. Think about this. Every morning you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you clean your body. But, do you ever clean your mind? Maybe not. And that is why sometimes you feel tired, stressed, or worried even when nothing is wrong. The truth is, your mind is not always clean, and it's not your fault. The world around you is full of noise. The news tries to make you afraid. Social media makes you compare yourself with others. People around you can be negative. Old memories or regrets stay in your head. You even worry about the future that has not happened yet. All these things pile up inside your head, just like trash in a small room. At first, you don't notice. You keep moving, you keep working, you keep scrolling on your phone, but little by little, your mind feels heavy. It is like walking into a messy room where you cannot find your keys or your books. Everything feels stressful. That is why you wake up already tired. You feel stressed almost every day. Even on calm days, you feel like something is wrong. But here's the big secret. Your mind needs cleaning every single day. Just like you clean your clothes, brush your teeth, or wash your hands. Most people never think about cleaning their minds. They just carry old problems, angry thoughts, and heavy emotions. But if you learn how to reset your mind, your life can feel light, calm, and clear again. That's what we will learn together in this story. In the next parts, I will share with you simple habits to clean your mind. These habits are easy, friendly, and they will also help you practice English at the same time. So let's begin this journey together with Chasing English. Each step will make your English better and your heart lighter. The first step to clean your mind. Now, a friend, let's begin learning how to clean our mind each day. The first habit is very simple, but also very powerful. Start your morning with silence. Why is this so important? Let me explain. When you wake up in the morning, your brain is calm, like a quiet lake with clear water. But most people don't protect this peace. They open their eyes and immediately reach for their phone. They look at messages, news, or social media, and suddenly, their quiet lake is full of rocks, trash, and noise. The water becomes cloudy. Their mind feels heavy before the day has even started. That is why many people lose the day before it even begins. They start in chaos. But if you begin your morning with silence, you give your mind space to breathe. Here is what you can do. When you wake up, don't grab your phone. Sit up comfortably. Close your eyes. Take slow, deep breaths. Let your thoughts come and go, like clouds in the sky. Don't fight them. Don't judge them. Just let them pass. At first, this will feel strange. Your brain will want to check the phone. It will remind you of your to-do list. It will try to break the silence. But if you hold this quiet space for even 5 to 10 minutes, something amazing happens. You begin to hear your own voice, not the noise of the world. You start the day with control over your feelings, instead of letting the world control you. There was a CEO of a very big company who used this habit every single morning. He said, "If I start my day in chaos, I make chaotic decisions. If I start my day in silence, I make clear decisions." Every morning, he did the same. No phone, no news, no talking, just himself, a cup of warm tea, and 10 minutes of silence while watching the sunrise. He believed those 10 minutes were more valuable than any business meeting, because they gave him the power to make better choices for the whole day. And science agrees. Starting your day with silence lowers stress, improves focus, and helps your emotions stay calm. It is like giving your brain a shower before all the dirt of the day arrives. So here is your challenge. Tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, do not rush. Don't touch your phone. Sit quietly. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Let the day come to you, instead of you rushing into it. Try this for just 7 days. You will notice your mind feels clearer, calmer, and stronger. This is the first step to cleaning your mind daily. Write it down. Free your mind. Your mind is like a little box. Every day, you put something into it. Maybe it's a small worry. Maybe it's a plan for tomorrow. Maybe it's an argument from yesterday. At first, the box is not heavy. You can still think clearly. But as days pass, you add more and more tasks, memories, fears, and reminders. Slowly, the box becomes full. And when it is full, even one more small thought makes you feel stressed. This is why sometimes you feel tired or worried for no clear reason. It's not that nothing is wrong, it's that too many things are stuck inside your head. The solution is simple. Empty the box every day. Here is how you can do it. Take a notebook and a pen. Sit in a quiet place. Write down everything that is on your mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be beautiful. Just write. Write your tasks. Write your worries. Write your hopes. Even write the small thoughts you don't want to forget. When you write it down, something changes. It is no longer a heavy, invisible thing in your head. It becomes a visible thing on paper. And when it is on paper, you can see it, work with it, or let it go. Think of it like cleaning a messy room. When everything is all over the place, you don't know where to start. But when you take everything out and put it in front of you, you can decide, keep it, fix it, or throw it away. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Alex. He was always busy, but he felt like he was not moving forward. His head was full of reminders. Call the bank, reply to emails, buy a gift for mom, fix the sink. At night, he couldn't sleep because his brain kept replaying everything again and again. One day, a friend told him, "Your brain is not a to-do list. Stop using it like one." That night, Alex sat down with a notebook. He wrote for 15 minutes. Every task, every worry, every small idea. The whole page was full. But something amazing happened. His shoulders relaxed. He felt lighter, and for the first time in many months, he fell asleep easily. After 1 week of writing every night, Alex noticed something else. He actually finished more important tasks. Why? Because now he could see clearly what mattered and what didn't. This is the power of writing. It gives your brain space. It stops you from carrying the same heavy bags every day. So here is your challenge. Take 5 minutes today. Write down everything in your head. Just 5 minutes. You will feel the difference. A clean page leads to a clean mind. The magic of gratitude. Now that you know how to start your morning with silence and how to write down your thoughts, let's look at another powerful habit. Gratitude. Gratitude means saying, "Thank you," for the good things in your life. It doesn't mean you pretend everything is perfect. It doesn't mean you ignore your problems. It simply means you train your mind to see what is good, even when life feels hard. You see, brains are naturally trained to look for danger and problems. That helped humans survive thousands of years ago. But today, this makes many people focus only on what is wrong and forget what is right. Gratitude helps us balance this. It's like opening a window to let light into a dark room. Gratitude does not have to be big. It can be very small, like, the morning air feels fresh. A friend smiles at you. You hear your favorite song. Someone holds the door open for you. Let me tell you a story. There was a woman named Sophia. She had a very difficult time in life. She lost her home. She ended a relationship. And she had to move in with her sister. She told me, "I didn't think of one thing I'm grateful for. My life is a mess." But I told her, "You don't need to start big. Start small." So she began. Day 1, I have a roof over my head. Day 2, my sister made me tea. Day 3, the sun came out today. At first, it felt silly, but slowly, her list grew longer, and with it, her heart grew lighter. After 1 month, she said, "My problems are still here, but they don't control me anymore." That's the power of gratitude. It doesn't erase the problems, but it clears away the heavy dirt in your mind. It helps you breathe again. Another story. I once met a soldier who lived through very hard times. He said gratitude was the only thing that kept him strong. Every night, even in danger, he found one small thing to be thankful for. A warm meal, a letter from home, or simply the gift of being alive another day. He told me, if you can find something to be grateful for in the middle of chaos, your mind can never be fully broken. Gratitude is like sweeping away dust from your heart. The more you practice it, the more space you make for peace. So here is your challenge. Every night before bed, write down at least one thing you are grateful for. Just one. Soon, you will notice your list grows and your mind feels brighter. This is the gentle turning point. Gratitude makes the heavy world lighter. Now, my friend, you have learned 3 simple habits to clean your mind every day. 1. Start your morning with silence. Give yourself peace before the world gives you noise. 2. Write down what's on your mind. Free your head from heavy thoughts by putting them on paper. 3. Practice gratitude. Notice the good, even when life feels hard. These habits are small, but they are powerful. They are like gentle brooms that sweep away the dust in your heart. When your mind is clean, you feel lighter, you can focus better, you can sleep more peacefully, and you can enjoy the present moment. Remember this: a clean mind does not happen by accident. The world will always try to fill your head with noise, fear, and worries. But you have a choice. You can carry the weight, or you can let it go. You can live heavy, or you can live light. So start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just choose one habit and practice it daily. Slowly, your mind will feel free, calm, and strong. And here's the best part: while you clean your mind, you are also improving your English. Every time you read with Chasing English, you train your brain, you learn new words, and you practice thinking in English. So, let's keep going together. Thank you for reading with me today on Chasing English. If this story helped you even a little, please stay with us. Practice reading every day with our channel. Step by step, your English will grow and your heart will feel lighter. Your mind is your home. Keep it clean, keep it peaceful, and remember, you are never alone on this journey. We are here with you every day. See you in the next story, my friend. And until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep chasing English.